Hey everyone, Bill and Carrie with KB Tricks.
Hello.
We hope that you're doing well. In case you're wondering what this big pile of mess is behind us, we are packing for our Alaskan cruise, and so we thought we would show you what we're going to be doing for this trip.
Yes, because packing for Alaska is a lot different than packing for Disney World or Caribbean cruise or anything like that. So, yeah, we'll show you. As you can see, we have a mess behind us, but there is some sort of organized chaos to our mess.
Organized chaos. Let's go with that.
Yes.
Okay, sure. That makes me feel better already. The first challenge for most pet owners is, hi, it's Morty. He just has a hobby of getting into our luggage and doing that. We did not make him do that. He just does that for some reason.
And you look so sweet. So, oh, now he's going to get out on... Are you going to get out on your own?
Okay, thank you, bud.
Yeah.
So we got all of our clothes kind of sort of organized a little bit. A few things that we're going to point out to you that we're going to do for this trip. So again, we're going to Alaska. We're not going to Florida, so we got to dress a little bit nicer and do some, or warmer and do some things like that. Couple of things that we always do is we got a power packs for the days in case you know, we're running low. Extra cables. These cables we'll use in the room. Like these are 10-foot cables, so if we need to, we can string power from one side of the bed over to the other. We'll both have noise canceling headphones, mostly for the flight. Also for our room, we'll have a USB charger, so we can charge several USB type items at once. They have updated some of the rooms, so they do have more USB ports, but there's still a possibility you might not have enough, especially with me and my camera gear. Carrie always has to have a fan to sleep with, so we got a little travel one that uses USB to plug in. We will pack rain gear, get to that in a second, but we also have these. If there's a day that they're not predicting rain, we might have these on us just in case something pops up. Luggage scale, just to help us prepare before we get to the airport. We pack spare cheap sunglasses we might get for free from some giveaway type things. That way we're not paying Disney prices if we lose them or break them. Reusable straws. And then this thing, this carabiner, this is like my secret weapon for a lot of things. I can put this on my belt to carry our thermos or bags, that kind of a thing, hands-free. We can get Disney gift cards that we'll take with us and use at guest services. You can get discounted Disney gift cards throughout the year. This is how we pay for a lot of our trips. We'll get these discounted. Target is really good at 5%. Maybe Sam's or Costco will have sales. Bring a hat for extra protection. Hidden Mickeys go to sea. We met Steven on one of our trips. Really nice guy. He puts these books together. Something fun you can do on the ships. Of course, as I already mentioned, water bottle, so that we always have water on us. Don't want to pay those fees, those extra prices basically for tourists. And we have a handle on our water bottle. This is a Yeti that we use. And then I can use my carabiner to clip that to my belt. We each have flip-flops, just the easy thing. And then because we're going to Alaska, we're both going to take hiking type boots that could also be warm, extra layer of protection, because temperatures in Alaska, even during the summer, we're going in September, could drop to what, 40 degrees, things like that. And we're still kind of used to the 70, 80 degree temperatures even in Minnesota right now. Something else we'll pack are the smaller Yetis. These are 20-ounce Yetis, and these are good for sodas and things like milk or
hot chocolate.
Yep, hot chocolate.
Alaska hot chocolate.
Juice, things that are like that. Those are drinks are unlimited. You don't have to pay extra for those. And they're available up on the pool deck and in cabanas. And Disney recently had an update. Now you can get magic bands, or if you already have magic bands, you can use the magic bands on the ship to access your room. Can you pay with these two?
Yes, you can.
Okay, you can pay with these two. You link them to your room.
And they're supposed to do fun things in some of the shows and stuff too.
Oh, really? Okay, so that's all new to me. Carrie got me my magic band here for my birthday. Stitch! Gonna need your help with this one, hon. Morty, no, bud. So we are going to pack some rain gear. We got rain jackets for both of us and rain pants. So those days that we're going to be outside, they were expecting, you know, the possible rain or mist, stuff like that. We can wear those. And Carrie is also sporting.
I'm sporting my new hat.
She got a knit hat too for the trip. We're also going to pack some wool socks to keep our feet warm. The boots may or may not do the trick, but wool is a good thing to wear. If you're going to go out and buy some rain gear, you want to make sure that those pants and those jackets are waterproof, not water resistant. Water resistant doesn't really do much after a while. You'll just end up being soaked all the way through. So you want to make sure you get the waterproof materials. So spend the extra money for that proof, not resistant. Better now?
Good
Okay.
job. Good job.
I kept saying I kept saying rainproof, not waterproof. So she's been mocking me. Dude, come on, man. Killing me, Smalls.
Something we've learned very recently is we finally got on the packing cube train, so to speak. So we have actually a couple of different types of packing cubes. We have the ones that are reusable, and then once we pack them, we zip them up and they compress down. We also have these that we bought. We're going to try using them again. They're kind of basically just a giant Ziploc bag. The same thing, we can just cram full of stuff. And then basically we have to lay on top of them to get all the air out and zip them back up. So I don't see a very long future for the Ziploc type ones, but we did find out since we've started using them, they've really made packing a lot easier for us. However, you do really have to be careful about weights because you still can... Even though things are flat, they're still very heavy. So just be careful with those weight restrictions.
The biggest difference between these two is like this is actually like breathable material kind of thing, and as you zip it, it gets tighter. But this one, you actually have to squeeze all the air out of it. And sometimes we find the best way to do this is just to lay this on the ground and lay on top of it and squeeze all the air out, and then use the Ziploc thing to get the air out. Carrie's going to go ahead and demonstrate how the one packing cube works.
So this is a compression bag, but what we do is you have the first set of zippers that you just zip it shut.
Like normal.
And then there's a second set here. So then we just...
That's where it gets tighter.
Sometimes you have to squish some things around.
Yeah, so we
nice and compact.
Yeah, so we saved a couple inches.
For those Ziploc type compression bags. So Bill is going to demonstrate how we have best found to get them nice and flat. Will you stop?
There we go. Kind of flattish, right, buddy? We're also going to pack some sweatshirts and some heavier light jackets. I know that sounds like a contradiction, but heavier light jackets because of the weather. We're going to try to avoid coats. A few more things to be aware of before we leave is Disney sent us luggage tags. These are tags that we put onto our luggage before we get to port, and then they know where to send our luggage to at the ship and keep track of that. Also, we're going to pack our own set of cold and flu meds because there's not a big supply on the ship, and also we're talking again Disney prices if that happens. And then when it comes to packing, if you have a Loungefly obsession like Carrie can have, one thing to do for packing is we will put things inside the Loungeflies to help with the space. So like we put our Yetis in here, sometimes maybe we'll even pack, Carrie will pack one of her changes of clothes to go in there and use this almost kind of like a packing cube itself. For inside the luggage. And quite possibly you're already using these. We have air tags or other type of luggage tracking things that we can track our luggage on our app. These have been great, really.
Are you going to be sad and depressed? Yeah. Oh.
We're all packed up and ready to go. Those are lyrics, right?
Something like that.
No, okay, anyway. So I think we're all ready to go. We only leave in like 3 more months, so...
Let's try 3 more days.
Okay, yeah, it's really 3 more days. Some people
Morty's
are
very
heavy
sad.
packers.
He knows Mommy and Daddy are leaving him.
Yeah, it'll be okay. He's going over to Grandma and Grandpa's for a few days. He'll be fine. Yes, he'll get plenty of loves and treats over there.
Yes, he'll get spoiled by Grandpa.
Yeah. But that's it. So the one thing we didn't show was that we did pack some formal wear on the longer Disney cruises, 7 days or longer. They would have formal nights or semi-formal nights, so you can dress up for that. Yes, dude. So we're going to tell you.
Come on, buddy.
Anyway. Anyway, we want to thank you for joining us. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, so please subscribe, help us list that number, and help the channel grow, help us reach our next goal of 2,000 subscribers. But do we have any parting words before we go on our Alaskan vacation, honey?
Looking really forward to it.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, Morty has been licking things. We don't dress up our dog, just so you're aware. Anyway,
Even if you did have him in pajamas, it would be okay.
anyway, we want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You watch KB Trek. Please do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.